Hey besties, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited today because we're doing an unboxing. I'm so pumped. We have our fall Fab Fit Fun box, and I kind of wish I was like a little bit more fall vibes today, but literally you guys, it's 80 degrees here. It's September and it's 80 degrees. Like I wanted to be in a sweater for this, but alas, I cannot. So we're gonna jump into this. I'm so excited. I love my Fab Fit Fun box, and I got so many cute things this month, so I'm really excited to show you guys what I got. By the way, hello, my name is Luna. If you don't know me, I do witchy things, I do glamour things, I do girly things, and everything in between. We have a really fun time here, so if you're into that, I think you should subscribe. If you guys don't know, the Fab Fit Fun box is seasonal, and then you get to just pick all your items, so it's not a mystery. There will be like 5 different categories, basically, and each category will have like 4 different things you can choose from, ranging from like home or beauty, clothes, kitchen, anything fab, mayhaps fit, mayhaps fun. You'll find something you like. So let's just jump into it. I'm really excited. Ooh, look how cute. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh my god, I just remembered what I got, and I'm so excited because I literally forgot I picked it, and it's literally something I almost bought today. Slay. I'm just gonna start with that one. I was like, I need a new journal. I need a new journal. And I forgot I literally chose a journal. This is the Pantone Journal, Trendsetters of Color. This is the shade. Who knows, honestly. But it's this really pretty kind of like, really pretty, like, I don't know, wine Merlot color. So gorgina. It's so funny. I literally was saying I needed a journal. Well, I manifested it. Actually, I chose it like months ago. Ooh. I love, love, love. I'll put the price on the screen. Just a classic journal. It does have a little ribbon, so that's cute. I love the color. It's so perfect for fall. And it's also just one of my favorite colors in general, just like a really pretty wine color, so I love. I'm such a journal girly too. I know you guys relate. You guys get it. Okay. I'll do this because this is big. I'm so excited for this. You guys are gonna love this. I know you're gonna love it as much as I do. This is by Meso, and this is a really, really cute and trendy candle holder. Whoa! Look at this. Look at this little freak. I love it. It's squiggly. It does have things on the bottom to keep it from slipping, which is so good because I live in a house of insane cats. So really, really good. I just feel like this is so cute. I'm thinking Mavin, like autumn equinox, candlelit dinner, this in the center. You know what I'm saying? This is so cute. And it's just got that kind of funky little modern twist to it, which I really like. And I'm just like, listen, I am never going to have enough candlesticks. I just love having candles everywhere. And I just thought this was like so cute. Such a nice neutral color. You literally could use this for any season, you know. And I love having a candlelit dinner. Next, this is me entering my like homemaking era, which, let's be real, I'm not really entering it. But I do like the idea of hosting, and I think it would be really fun. I do love cooking for my friends. I'm just like not a very, I won't say I'm not a good cook because I am a good cook, but I only have like 4 meals I really feel like I've mastered. But those 4 meals are amazing, guys. So anyway, this is a cute little like cloth napkin set, which I've never had. That feels kind of bougie to me. I've never had like cloth napkins, or you know when you have cloth napkins, the little like ring that goes on it, and it's just very fancy, and that's never been my life, and I feel like, I don't know, it could be. So this is the brand Darling, and I just kind of neutral, fits kind of autumn colors, and it was honestly just one of those things where I'm like, I don't have any cloth napkins. Like if I did want to do an autumn equinox dinner where I hosted, which would probably be the Sabbath that I did it on, or the holiday that I would do that for, this would be perfect, you know, to really, really impress my friends and family. They'll be like, Luna, what are you doing? That's so confusing. Okay, next I got some cute, like, beauty skincare products. So This, okay, not beauty or skincare, but I thought this looked really cool. This is by the NewCo. It's Magnesium Ease, Magnesium and Lavender Sleep Support Body Spray. I love a good sleep spray. If you guys know me, you've probably heard me say that before. I just love a good sleep spray. I think they're amazing, and I love sleeping. I love sleeping. I love being cozy. I would spray this right now, but I don't think I could get through the rest of my day. I'll sniff it. I'll be crazy. Yeah. I'm dead. It hit. It does smell really good though. It smells really good, and I'm excited to use this. Next is this Cara Silk Polished Protected Luxurious Hair Oil. Looks really fancy to me. Let's freaking try it, because as you guys can tell, I've been going blonde, which has been quite the treat for my little hair follicles. It smells good. I feel like Cara Silk is a brand that I don't really know anything about, but I feel like vaguely positive about it, so that's good. Yeah, smells really good, feels good. I'll have to keep trying it and let you guys know my thoughts after a while, but this looks really good. It smells really good. All right, 2 more items, you guys. We have a signature lip by Merit in the shade Maison. Yeah, I'm French. Ooh, this looks fancy. Looks really fancy. Wow. Very fall lip color. I already have lipstick on right now, so I don't know if it'll work, but let's just try it. Honestly, pretty similar to the shade I'm wearing. A little deeper. I like the shade though. Feels really creamy. Sometimes they smell good, so I always kind of smell it to see. I don't really notice a smell, but yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, last item. Set of 2 mugs. I love bevvies. You guys know me. I literally have my coffee with me. Oh my god, it's like 6 o'clock and I'm drinking my second coffee of the day because I'm uncontrollable. So good. I used to be like a 1 coffee and done kind of person, but I guess I drank too much coffee and now my tolerance is higher. Okay, this is the brand Noon and Moon, and it's a set of 2 mugs. I thought these were just so cute. I just can already see myself apple cider for my man, hot cocoa for me. Like, this is cute. Not that we need any more mugs, you know. We're a family of like baristas, so we don't really need any more mugs, but it's like a fun size. It's not too big, not too small. Perfect dish, you know, the mug, as Demi Lovato once said. Like, this is perfect. This is beautiful. And I love the colors. Honestly, the color scheme of all of this goes together so well. Not that we're trying, you know what I'm saying? But like, everything is beautifully color corresponding. So this is really cute. This feels so cozy. That was everything in this box, you guys. Oh my gosh. Let me know your favorite item down below. I picked out all of these. I was so excited about all of them, honestly. I will say, you guys, tea, when I was going through it, there was like a personal massager, if you know what I mean, on one of the options. And I was like, Fab Fit Fun? So girl, don't miss out. Fab Fit Fun goes a little crazy sometimes, you know? So I thought I saw that, I was like, damn, like I'm good, but thank you, Fab Fit Fun, for thinking of me in that way. So honestly, Fab Fit Fun has everything. Honestly, like so many different things, which I like. So it, you know, each season, if you're like, you know, for summer, you can watch my summer unboxing if you want. I was definitely leaning more like fashion, beauty, and I feel like this season I was feeling more like homey. And so it's kind of fun to see like, you know, what you need in each season. And I'm just really excited. I bet the winter one is going to be so good too. So I'll leave links down below to get your box if you'd like to. And I also have a discount code for you guys, so get some money off. I will leave that on the screen right here and link to get that down below. Make sure to use that and get some money off, girl. I don't know what my favorite item is. I think the journal's kind of funny because I was like literally at the store today and I was like, I should get a journal. I really need one. Like I need an empty one because I have like, I want a specific journal for my like character analysis when I'm like acting and stuff, like to just kind of journal my character psyche, my character analysis. And then it was actually my husband's idea to have like a specific journal that I do all of that in. And then you can look back and see all the different characters you've played. Usually I do it in the scripts, but I was thinking like, yeah, it would be a good idea to have a journal for that. So I was gonna get one, and then this came to me from my past self. So that's really beautiful. So I guess that's maybe my favorite, but I love the candlestick. Like the candlestick just makes me so happy to look at because he's just so funky wonky. And I love him for that. Anyway, that's all from this box. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, let me know in the comments down below what your favorite item was. I'll leave that link in the description, and I will see you all next time. Bye!